Each life that we touch, we're supposed to leave a little bit of ourselves. And hopefully they will share that with somebody else. My passion is helping. Each day I try to find a way I can help, even in a small gesture, because you have a purpose. I also suffer from depression for a long, long time, and there was a point in my life that I didn't want to be here. Through trials, there's lessons to be learned. I feel more confident now because this is who I am. I always loved art. I truly, truly enjoy every class. It just allows me to see other people creating in such a beautiful way. I have 14 grandkids. I have the house that everybody comes to because it's big and it's messy and it's be yourself kind of home. I was Bubbles the Clown. The name came from my best friend. She said because I have this bubbly personality. You cannot not smile when you see Bubbles. Every day I just wake up with gratefulness. I find ways to make each day count. Más vieja is más atrevida. Older is bolder.